Okay, so right now we're in a Ford Focus SE 2017. We have sport mode on, but and that's just oil change. I already got it changed, but they forgot to reset the sensor, so I have to do that. The point is, it's raining, and I want to show you what happens whenever your car loses traction with traction control on. I'm in the left-hand turn lane. Yep, okay, did a little bit. Let me, oh my god, I hydroplaned. Oh god! Oh my god. What? It's actually flooded. Guys, it's flooded. I'm in a flood. Did you just see that? I got that on video. Okay, hopefully I didn't just completely destroy my car. Because I hit that going like, 30. I think we're all good, but oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. Dude, I just hit a huge puddle, like deepest puddle I've ever hit. There we go. The water is just slowing me down. Yeah, it hit the floorboard hard. Man, okay. Wow. This is the worst I've ever seen it flooded. My gosh. It's me braking. Didn't have any trouble braking. Okay. Yeah, people are going way under the speed limit. Except for me. Okay, ready? Okay, you know what? My car's not doing it. Oh wow. These are some deep puddles, guys. You gotta be extra careful. That's why I'm going over the speed limit. So y'all don't have to. It's probably gonna be a big puddle here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whoa. It's slowing me down. My car's bogging. Come on, I gotta make it to my house. Pulled out of it. There we go. We pulled out of it. We pulled out of it. Holy cow. Never been in such a flood. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm going uphill. I forgot that street went downhill. So yeah, down there it actually got a little bit scary again. Bro, that puddle had to be at least 3 feet. Oh, okay, wait. That puddle, okay, let me think. That was at least 1.5 feet deep. Seriously. At least at the deepest point. That's why I was so scared. I'm going downhill again. Wish me luck. Big puddle. It's actually pretty fun. Not gonna lie, that's why I'm doing it more. Woohoo! Look at that. sure the cops are completely worried about, you know, the car wrecks that I'm sure are happening. Let me just show you how quick the screen will go without the wipers. Ready? Yep, so wipers on. Wow. Alright, wish me luck. It's literally like a storm. Well, okay. I meant to say it's literally like a river right here. Can you see that? I mean, I wasn't joking when I said this shit is deep. I got my high beam on right now, actually, just to let you know. Well, we're already in the water, but the deep part. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Let's look at this right here. Yeah, everything is flooded. The driveway, look at that. You know what? I'm gonna go for the puddle. We're gonna see it again, guys. Look how deep that is. Okay, ready? That, when it goes down there. Yeah. Wow. Sorry, I'm just taking away. I should be commenting more. I mean, it feels like you don't have as much control, obviously. And it slows you down whenever you hit a big... My gosh, it's picking up. If I don't have a lower bumper, I know why. I would not be surprised, actually. Oh, if you had a rally car, okay, that would be pretty cool. Big puddle. We're gonna go through this one last time. And we're floating. We just floated. Traction control is lighting up like crazy. I can't even imagine what it'd be like without it. So we're gonna end the video here. Peace out. Real quick, if you don't have a car that has four-wheel drive, do not try this. I doubt it'll even rain this much in your area, but if you're in an area where it actually rains this much, I mean, get a pickup truck or something. I'm gonna check my car for any damages. Thank you for watching, though. This is Total Redline, and had fun doing it. That was literally just coming home from work. Well, I took a detour, a really big detour. Random neighborhood, but all right, peace.